What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into a legend reborn, the 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429. This car isn't just a muscle car, it's a roaring piece of history with modern technology packed into its veins. Buckle up as we explore the key features, jaw-dropping performance, head-turning design, and what makes this beast truly stand out. Let's go. First things first, let's talk about the name, Boss 429. Originally introduced in 1969 as a homologation special, the Boss 429 was Ford's answer to the muscle car wars of the late 60s. Fast forward to 2025, and Ford has resurrected this badge with a vengeance. But this isn't just a nostalgia trip. Ford has crafted a machine that's as modern as it is menacing. At the heart of the 2025 Boss 429 lies a 7.0-liter naturally aspirated V8. Yes, you heard that right, naturally aspirated. No turbos, no superchargers, just raw, unfiltered muscle. Around back, the quad exhaust tips sing an American symphony, while the signature tri-bar taillights remind you this is unmistakably a Mustang. Inside, it's all about the driver. The Boss 429 comes with leather and Alcantara seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and a dash dominated by Fords. So, what makes the 2025 Boss 429 stand out in today's crowded muscle car market? It's that perfect blend of old-school brute force and cutting-edge technology. Ford has managed to capture the spirit of the original, while making it relevant for modern times. It's also surprisingly exclusive. Only 4,000 units will be made, each individually numbered, making it a must-have for collectors and enthusiasts alike. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to smash that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the hottest cars on the planet. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about all things automotive.